Welcome to this video on how to thread your sewing machine. We all have different brands of sewing machine, but the fundamental principles of how to thread them are basically the same or very similar. I'm going to show you how I thread my Janome TXL 607, but do always consult your sewing machine manual if you have one. Firstly, raise the needle and therefore the thread take-up lever to its highest position using the hand wheel at the side of the machine. Then take your thread and place it on the spool pin with the thread coming off from underneath. Place the spool holder cap on the end of the pin so it's snug up against the thread but not too tight. Now pass the thread through the guide following the numbers that are usually written on the machine. You need to make sure that the thread falls into the hook of the take-up lever as shown in this photo. And then bring it back down through the guide towards the needle. Now pass it through the lower thread guide and the needle bar guide just above the needle. Push the thread through the eye of the needle from the front to the back. Alternatively, you can use the automatic needle threader if your machine has one. Pull the lever down at the side and pass the thread underneath it from the left to the right, and then raise the lever, which will draw the thread loop through the needle for you. Next, remove the plate covering your bobbin case. And take your bobbin and hold it so that the thread is coming off to the left and the bobbin is turning anti-clockwise. Now insert the bobbin into the case, ensuring the thread is still coming off in the same direction. Thread it through the notch in the bobbin case as shown and pull it off to the left by a few inches. Replace the cover and we now need to draw the bobbin thread up so it meets the needle thread. Do this by raising the presser foot, hold the needle thread with your left hand and turn the hand wheel until the bobbin thread is picked up by the needle thread and you see a loop coming out below the needle. Take a pin and pull the loop through until you have both the bobbin and needle threads together and pull them gently to the back of the machine. And you're now ready to start using the sewing machine. Here's the process speeded up one more time. Hope it's useful.